guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is another video in my series Bex's Makeup Rewind. What I'm doing is, what are you called? That'd help, wouldn't it? It was a dramatic eye look with a bold blue lip Beauty Bakery Lip Whip Bake Cake, and because at the time I wanted to use this blue, I decided to do a look because I was using a blue lip. That is, oh, you see my ring light there. Not so lucky with it, focus. Curse you, ring light. I cringed watching the video back, so we're going to do it today. I've even got the same products I used in that video. Step into my world as we recreate something I did 2 years ago. So let's do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is my brows. In the video I think I was using the Colourpop one, and I can't find mine. I do have the Colourpop one, I just can't find where I've put it. So I'm just going to use the Nabla. This is the Brow Divine in Jupiter. And I'm just gonna do this one eye and then do this one off camera. I'm going to cut the crease with my Tarte Shape Tape. And in the video I did use LA Girl Pro Conceal, but I don't have that concealer anymore. Right, so the shades I'm going in with are from Makeup Geek. In the video I do use MAC Nylon, which I don't have anymore because I don't use MAC shadows. But I have got this one and I have no idea who it's by. It's very similar. I'm using Creme Brulee, Cocoa Bear, Corrupt, Chit Chat, Phantom and No Name on my eyes today. So in my video, the first shade that I go in with is Creme Brulee. Now I'm actually going to go in with Cocoa Bear. So I'm going to go in with this shade here and I'm going to put that all through my crease. But the first thing I'm going to do is put some tape on, because in the video I do wear tape. So taking Cocoa Bear on a Spectrum A12 pencil brush, I'm going to put this just a bit above my crease and dab it around. And then taking a B06 brush by Spectrum, I'm just going to blend the edges. I'm not blending up or anything, I'm just blending it into itself, but because it is a big fluffy brush it is going to slightly smoke it out. Then going in with a My Kiko Defining Crease brush, I'm going to take Creme Brulee all over that, and I'm going to blend that over the top of Cocoa Bear. Taking another pencil brush, I'm actually going to go in with Corrupt. I didn't do this in the video, but I'm going to do it today because I want to make that cut really. So it looks a bit crazy, but that's what we're playing with now. And then I'm actually going to cut my crease with the NYX Jumbo pencil. I know. In the video I used this, but I just sort of smudge it all over. I am going to try and attempt to cut my crease with it today with a smaller brush, and hopefully it'll work that way. I could use gel liner, but to be honest, I don't think my eyelids could take the battering from it. Walking down to loneliness, oh yeah. Taking a thin defining brush thing, I'm just going to soften the edges. Go in with Phantom Chit Chat. I don't have an appropriate colour, but I want to sort of blend, because I'm going to go with black in my out corner. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this. This is Carnival by Makeup Geek, because it is purpley pink toned. I'm just going to blend where my shadow makes the black. It's not going to make an uber amount of difference, just going to soften it before I go in with the black. And then back in with the black. Just give myself I'm going to take what's meant to be MAC Nylon, just going to put it on my brow bone. I'm just going to clean up my underneath, I can do my underneath. Walking down to loneliness, oh yeah. Right, then going in with Cocoa Bear, I'm going to smudge that underneath. Blend that out with Creme Brulee. I'm going to go in with Corrupt, which is the black, and smudge that right at my lash line. Then on the inner corner I'm going to go in with Phantom. So I'm going to go finish the rest of my eyes. Right, so I'm back, I did that. Obviously, you can tell from that because I'm here. So now I'm going to get on with the thing, in with the Match Perfection foundation by Rimmel and the Infallible 24 Hour by L'Oreal. Going with the concealer, I don't have the LA Girl Pro Conceal, so I'm going to go in with 17's Daytime Concealer. This is actually discontinued, but it's the only drugstore one that I had that I've actually opened. And then I'm going to go in with the High Beam Highlighter by Benefit. This is what I used in the video. I'm going to go in first with that because I want to do it before I put any powder on my face. I'm just going to go in with the e.l.f. Under Eye Powder. I'm going to go in with bronzer now. I'm going to use the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. I'm going to go in with a Molly O'Brien Arabelle M06 brush with the same contour, well, same bronzer, and I'm just going to deepen it up onto my pupil. And I'm going to use the blush in the Park Ave Princess palette. Highlight today is going to be the Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is actually the Gleam one, which is discontinued, but any colours that are like these top two, they're what I'm using. Bring out that highlight. I'm then going to set my the side of my face with the NYX HD powder, and I'm just going to use my beauty blender because I kind of want to cut my contour. I'm just going to go in with the NYX brow gel and the pièce de résistance. Now, in the original video, I was clearly very blatant because I didn't use a liner, so today I am going to use a liner because I'm not that brave now. And this is actually an eyeliner by Colourpop and it's DTLA, but I've never used it, so I figured it'd be alright to use it on my lips. And then I'm going to go in with a Beauty Bakery Cake and just give it a bit of a shake. I hope it's alright, it's been a while. Not quite the same colour as my lip liner. So guys, that is the finished look. What do we think? I love it. I really love it. I'm not just saying that. I think you can definitely see an improvement in my skills. Final look guys, if you have enjoyed this little trip down memory lane, please do give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe if you would like to see more from me, and leave me a comment down below if there's anything you'd like to see in particular or what you think of the look, or just to say hey. I like to make new friends, so I'll see you now. Bye guys! Oh, I'm still so awkward.